Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. Really late to the party today. Stuck in cryptocurrencies for a little while. That XRP, huh? Woo! Nobody saw that coming, including myself. But anyway, let's talk about euro dollar right now. Euro dollar holding steady against the US dollar after European Central Bank left interest rates unchanged as widely expected. Now, the ECB held its deposit rate at 2 and the main refinancing operations at 2.15 while maintaining a cautious, data-dependent tone amidst persistent euro strength and growing trade uncertainty with the United States. Although the rate decision was fully priced in by the markets, the euro came under a little bit of mild pressure at first as the European Union scrambles to finalize a trade agreement with Washington ahead of the self-imposed August 1st deadline. So as we're standing right now, euro dollar sitting right at 117.80, major resistance point. Right now, as it holds, it's got to hold 172. I'm gonna say like 172.25. 170. Actually, all right, I'll go to 170, 172. 117.25, 117.30. As I get older, man, my big figures just keep getting like worse and worse. So let's come on over and check out the US dollar index versus the euro dollar. Okay, as we can see, the US dollar index is basically neutral. It's just hanging out. Let's get like a little rectangle around it. Seems to be hanging right in this area right now. All right, I'm gonna go down to the bottom of the box a little bit. That's what the euro dollar US dollar index looks like. Dollar yen again is the one that leads this itself. Dollar yen's at 146.75 right now. So if dollar yen can dump down, we could get some fuel into the euro dollar, into the sterling dollar. Sterling dollar, man, just can't hold a freaking rally. It just can't hold a freaking rally, man. It's unbelievable. I'll be covering sterling dollar in my next video. But as it stands right now, we come on over to good old euro. Let me show you my other chart that I have on euro dollar. I really like this color. That's the thing, man. I really like the color. Okay, so this is a 4-hour chart right now. Let's put a line up like 170, 117, 32, 172. I'm thinking euro yen. I trade the crosses much more than I trade straight euro dollar. But anyway, as it stands right now, euro dollar is tracking in between these 2 points. Okay, it hasn't had a full, blown breakout yet to try to attack this level up here of 118, say 2030, and of course we have the ultimate resistance at right here, 118.30 itself. So 118.30 is the big resistance. So if we do punch up, we're going to have some resistance up in between these 2 points. However, in order to punch up, we're going to need 2 consecutive highs through these points, right? One of my rules. So right now it's still in consolidation. Okay, it still has the ability to kind of track back down, say the 40 level, 35 level, and just track in between these 2 points. It's Thursday. Thursday's not quite a trend day. Friday's usually a trend day on all currencies. Um, Gotta pay attention to the euro yen. Gotta pay attention to, the sterling yen itself. It's a little bit of a bitish tone right now, but because dollar yen has been holding the line, cable hasn't been doing anything. All right. So as it stands, this is what am I saying? Okay. So we need to hold 117, say 30. If we break 117.30, okay, we could potentially trade back down to, I would say, 116, like 95-ish. Let me see something here. Let's get an arrow right here. 116, like 95. There should be some decent support here and also at this level right over here. Let me get a circle, throw a little circle around it right here. So this is on the short term. This is the main like shelf. Okay, right here is a shelf. So if we break down through here, we could test 116.95, 117 the figure, but the main support sits right here at 116.80. I don't expect much. I don't think it's going to break that today, but you never know with Forex. But anyway, got to pay attention to the top. If we get a breakout through the top, we could see, some movement. If we get dollar yen to continue to rally, it could get a stall in euro dollar. All right, so that's what I got for you guys today in euro dollar. In the link in the description, get yourself a free video, get yourself a free ebook on whether or not a price breakout is good. What's the quality of it? Look forward to seeing tomorrow's video. And remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.